Upstream. So
you say you are going?
Yeah, we're going to Reggae Falls today. Welcome to White Horses.
Just tell me if you want me to stop it.
Oh, that was a good spot. Okay, so we stopped in White Horses because the falls is back. Like, that falls has been there since forever, but because the place was so dry the other day, I haven't seen it in quite some time, so I'm pretty happy to see that. Lots of persons always come and have a shower right under there, so that's good. And this is the view in White Horses, just to show y'all how over there looks. Snacking it, red stripe and Olay. Yeah, breakfast mode. What's a hike without beer?
And Jamaica.
Have to be there. Wow, this is nice. All right, cause that I don't know. I love the mountains here. And there's a cow farm over there. I hope none of them decide to run us down today, especially me. Whoa, look at that right there. So yes, and those little donkeys. Hi donkeys, I'm back. So yeah, that's the way to Reggae Falls. Reggae Falls is down that side, but we're trying to get across to over there. It's kind of a bit challenging. I need to get a tripod for this camera so that it's not so shaky. But yeah, I have people at the falls.
Chop it out where you see you can't go down.
I noticed, right?
Yeah, but yes or no?
Alright, we'll leave the car here and walk up.
Oh yeah, alright, come on.
Never good. He's always here and he's immense. Road was blocked. You get to drive up and then drive this way.
Okay, back at it again. So yeah, now we're on a half-hour hike to the top of the falls, where, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I just climbed a steep little hill and now I'm out of breath. But yeah, we're now on a half-hour hike up to the top of the falls, where they have little rock pools, and so we got our cooler and that crazy one. And yeah, so if you haven't seen, I think I had a vlog where I came here, or I had just a video of the falls, so I'll post the link below where you can go check that out to see the Reggae Falls, although I'll still show a glimpse of it today. I don't know, I'm just like out of breath a lot lately. Like if I walk like from here to like just 2 kilometers or 2 meters away or whatever, I get out of breath. So yeah, Yeah. Huh? The falls? Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, yes. No, like when we finish, we can probably come down so you can get a good pic of the falls because it's gonna be so nice. But yeah, it's the falls right there. The Jamaican Niagara Falls. So this is the fruit that they call jackfruit. Let me zoom out. So this is called jackfruit. It's a really nice tasting fruit. I'm sorry that the music is so loud, but yeah. And this is sugar cane. And I want to show you guys how we roast breadfruit. I can take a video here how you roast the breadfruit. So yeah, this is how we roast breadfruit. Breadfruit. You want a breadfruit? So yeah. Thanks, alright?
Alright, Neesbury.
You sure you have Neesbury? Oh, we can get like a video of it? Because most of the weight name there. Oh, Malcolm there. Yeah, Malcolm. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, and this is the coal stove. Yo, ask your grandmother about this. And now I'm gonna show you guys Neesbury. Ah, there it is. That's Neesbury. Yeah. Thanks. Woo. And this is what we use to make jerk chicken. So this is the jerk pan for the best jerk chicken. So anytime you see a Jamaican with a jerk pan like this, you know the jerk chicken is gonna be awesome. The jerk chicken, the jerk pork, whatever it is. Yeah, so this is a better view of the falls. Wow, I love the fact that it's so heavy. Last time I came here it was not this heavy, so it's real nice. It's real nice. Look at how he's just jumping and running on that. Wow, skill. But yeah, that's nice. Then you have some people out down there. So look at this, guys. Don't you wish you were them? Yeah, this is nice. Real nice. Yeah, you all can go, I'll catch up. The view of the mountains. So, yep, we're hiking in that direction. Whew, peaceful. Alright, crossing the first river. Ha, wow, why the water so cool? Yo. Yeah. Wow, it's heavy. Heavy. Wait, take me. Ah, wow, that's rough. First river accomplished. So it's actually that we're crossing one river 7 times. Many rivers to cross.
You used to have a very nice swimming spot there. And the river used to go there.
There was a swimming spot there. Oh, look at my shoe. Ooh, this part looks deep.
I think otherwise we must indeed go back and go out that side and cross there.
Oh, yeah. Right here looks deep, you know, this is swimming.
slowing me down when I'm crossing the water.
So this is what, the fourth crossing?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Ooh.
This crossing wasn't supposed to be a part of it, right?
Wow.
Woo!
Oh, be careful. Be careful. No, this one is extra. Yeah, that one was good. Anyways, this camera is dying. Oh my god, we're gonna cross the river again. Well, I think I need to capture this on camera, just in case if you heard that Michika got run down by a cow. You can get to witness it yourself, because we're gonna walk where the cows are. Ooh, we're gonna be walking right here. The cows are right over there. So yeah, that looks so mean though. Hi cows. Alright, don't look at me. But yeah. She's afraid of cows, so she has to walk all the way over there. Look at that one. Well, wow. I think cows don't really trouble you. I survived. Great. Now to the bushes we go. So this is where the first stop is. Look at how lovely that it looks. So right there is a rock pool, and then you have the river right there. Great.